Hare Krishna kids, welcome. We'll be starting, okay?
Can you spot me?
Okay. Would you like to introduce before everybody starts?
This is Brenda.
My name's Ola Saxena.
Who is that?
My name's Ojas Saxena.
Okay, welcome to the call. Who else want to introduce? They can introduce.
Hare Krishna, this is Revan's mother, Shweta Gupta.
Hare Krishna Revant, welcome to the call.
Revan, say Hare Krishna.
I'm Ishwita from Melbourne. I'm not her. I'm Nivan.
Say Revan.
Naveen?
What's your name?
Nivan.
Nivan? Nivan. Hare Krishna Nivan, welcome. Hare Krishna Sai, welcome.
I'm Ishwika from Melbourne.
I'm Ishwika from Melbourne.
Ishwika, where is Ishwika? Where is she talking? Oh,
I'm
okay.
just going to Ishwika is from Melbourne. And she's
Krishna,
watching you
welcome,
from Melbourne.
welcome to the call. Who else is there? Hare Krishna, Krishna Chaitanya, thank you for joining. This is Damodar class.
This is Damodar class?
Yes, it's a Damodar class. You can join after 6:15 it starts. CST 6:15. I don't know what's your time. 7:15 maybe in your, if you're in Eastern Zone.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Pranav.
Hare Krishna Pranav, welcome.
Hare Krishna Pranav.
Welcome, welcome to the call. Hare Krishna Radhika and Rasika, welcome. Nice talking. You both were talking very nicely.
Mataji, this is Radhika and Rasika.
Hare Krishna Radhika and Rasika, welcome, welcome. Okay.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Okay, okay. Hare Krishna, welcome. You can tell your names. If you tell your names, I will hear, right? Just saying Hare Krishna. I don't know who is saying Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Kavesh, welcome. Kavesh.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, welcome.
It's Kadish.
Kavesh, welcome. What's your name? Who else joined? Who wants to introduce?
Hare Krishna
Shruti, welcome to the call, Shruti.
I'm Yashika.
Yashika, I see you.
Yakshika.
Yashika.
Excuse
Yashika,
me?
welcome to the call. Thank you for joining in.
Oh, excuse me?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just gonna ask, when's the Govinda classes?
Yes, Govinda class is after this. It's 6:15, starts CST.
Wait, can you repeat the question? I wasn't able to hear clearly.
Govinda class starts 6:15 CST timing. Join for Govinda can join at 6:15 CST. You can see in the group there is a poster posted. On the poster, timings are clearly written according to CST, PST, EST. It's 6:15 Govinda. Now the Damodar group, which is 2 to 6-year-old kids class. Other kids, if they want to stay, they can stay and hear the story. If you want
Oh, okay, thanks for answering, ma'am.
thank you. Who else want to introduce? Yes, okay, Brinda, welcome to the call.
On time.
Okay, okay, it's already 5:20.
I'm Bhavika and I'm 5 years old. Krishna
Radhika, welcome to the call. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, let's start our class. Okay, it's already recording. It's live. We can start our class. Okay, let's do.
You have to share your screen for that.
Okay. Let's start our prayers, okay? Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prastaya Mate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Shunyavadi Paschata Deshadarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Advaita Gadadara Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Chant 11 times Hare Krishna. Okay. Together. Okay. Okay. Good kids. Let's start. Okay. We have our fingers to count. We are going to count. Okay. Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna, Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare
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 Hare,
Hare Rama Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Rama
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Rama Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna
Hare Krishna,
Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
question ही आ रही है
Hare Bol. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys for listening so nicely. Before starting our class, let's say very loudly 3 times Hari Bol because we are starting today our new session. Damodar, Govinda, right? To bless all efforts to do it very successful. So for that we are going to chant 3 times Hari Bol. Okay, let's raise our hands. I need to see everybody.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Krishna
Nice kids. Good. Okay, let's start our class.
What they're doing?
Okay. Just give me 1 minute. I'm going to share my screen. I request all the kids to be on mute. Can you all be mute or shall I mute them? Okay, let's start our class.
Can you move everybody?
So we know we already covered in our summer camp
Is
all
this a
the
jacket chair?
ABC letters, right? We have covered ABC in Krishna consciousness. Okay. We covered ABCs in Krishna consciousness in our summer camp. Summer camp, right? So we are going to see letter Q today. We have finished until P. Now Q. Okay. So let's see what is Q actually. How we can relate this letter Q into Krishna consciousness. Okay, Q is a quality of devotees. No, we need to have some quality to become a pure devotee. So, okay, what are those qualities? In Bhagavatam and in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has described 26 qualities to become a pure good devotee. Okay, there is some good qualities that we need to build in us so that we can progress nicely in Krishna consciousness. So that is the 26 qualities we have. So we will see some of those qualities with some of the stories we can relate and we can understand how we can get this kind of quality in us. Okay, let's go into the story which tells about the compassionate and also friendly. So these are the two qualities that we need to have to become a good devotee. Okay. So the story here, the story is the leaf boat. So we have seen boats, but here the leaf is going to turn as a boat. How is that? We'll see in the story. Okay, you can see very nice pictures are there. We can concentrate on the pictures when I'm telling the story. Okay, there was one lake and a huge big banyan tree. Okay. You can see here there is one lake and huge big banyan tree. So what happened on the tree? There is a pigeon bird. Okay, there is a pigeon and there is also pigeon's nest. Here you can see in the picture. And under the tree, there is a small hole. In that hole, there is a ant living inside that you can see in the picture. Okay, so what happened? One day there was very big thunderstorm rain. You can see how rain is so heavy, right? What happened? All the lake water which is beside the tree came to the tree. I mean, like they came closer to the tree, so that the tree also has been covered. Tree's stem is covered, and the hole which is there underneath that below the tree, so where the ant is living, that also is covered by water. So now the ant is drowning. So next, see how it is drowning. Oh, it's drowning. So And then what happened? Pigeon saw that. Pigeon who is staying above the tree on the stem, right? It is staying above. And then what happened on the tree, on the top of the tree? So then it saw, oh, aunt is going drowning in the water. Oh, I should do something. And aunt is thinking in her mind, oh, who is going to save me? Who is going to save me? I may not be saved. I'm going to die, like that aunt is thinking. And then what happened? Pigeon got a very nice idea. Pigeon, the bird pigeon got very nice idea that I can throw the leaves and then ant can climb on that and it can come to the safer side. So then bird started throwing all the leaves, but it was so windy. So then all the leaves started going away from the ant. So ant could not do anything, and but still the bird did not leave it. It want to help the ant. It was not leaving because it could not see somebody is in the trouble, and it was trying to help again and again, but so many leaves, and finally one leaf reached the ant and it climbed and it came faster and came to the safer place. Look, ant came to the safer place. Like that, it took the leaf as a boat and it slowly came to the safer place. So like this, bird has saved ant, right? So that is a quality. If somebody is in trouble, we should not think, oh, I am safe, right? Why do I worry? No, you should try to help from our side. So that is a story here. And then we'll see other part of the story in this. Like now it's a time for sunny days, and what happened? There was a hunter who came to this tree, and the hunter was trying to kill the bird, and then ant saw from far away, and it was like very small ant. How can ant help now? Let's see how much we think, okay, I'm very small, how can I help somebody who is in the trouble? No, with whatever energy we have, we can help. Let's see how ant helped. Ant did, what did it do? It took very strong breath and just ran towards the hunter and reached the feet of the hunter, and it bited the hunter. You can see it bited the hunter feet. And then automatically what happened? When ant bites, you cannot focus, right? You will get disturbed. And then what happened? You see the picture. Oh, now the arrow missed. Arrow went sideways, and then the bird got saved. Pigeon got saved, and then it fly away safely. So in this way, the small ant also could help the bird. So whenever there is somebody in trouble, we should be very compassionate to everyone and try to help. And one more thing, we should not forget somebody helped us. So we should help to everybody, of course, but we should not forget somebody who has helped us. So whenever turns comes to help, we need to help. So that is a quality of a good person, of a good devotee. Okay, let's move on to the next story. The next story is faith in Krishna. Okay, next story is faith in Krishna. This story teaches how a devotee is a simple and completely attached to Krishna, has no any material desires. So that devotee means they will be very simple. They need not to be so much knowledge about scriptures or anything. If they just have completely surrendered to Krishna and don't think anything about anything other than else of Krishna, then that is a quality of devotees. Okay. So here we can see in this story, there is a one Pandit, okay, in the village, and this Pandit used to educate all the people in the village about the scriptures and guide them. All the people in the village used to say, oh Pandit, you are very great scholar. Thank you for us helping for us. Like that. They used to feel like that. So, you know what happened? The other side of the river, there lived one girl called Lakshmi. Lakshmi, who is a seller of a milk. So she used to sell the milk to this scholar Pandit milk. Okay, so every day morning she used to get up, take bath, and take care of her sick father, and milk the cow, and take that milk and go in the boat, because to go to the Panditji's home, she needs to cross that river. So she takes the help of a boatman and boat, and she goes to the other side of the river and gives the milk to Panditji. And then what happened? So Pandit was like, always like little upset because she's coming very late. So she's like, Pandit warned him, okay, from tomorrow you have to come very early in the morning before sun rises, so I can have my milk. So what usually we do first thing is to get up in the morning, we fresh ourselves, and we try to offer some milk to Krishna, and we take it, right? So we wake up Krishna early in the morning with the milk, or we drink milk. If somebody is not doing that, at least you drink milk, right? So then we need milk in the morning. So this Panditji was so upset, you are coming so late, I need milk in the morning. So he told, so then next time please come, make sure you are coming very early in the morning. Like that Panditji has told to this lady. And the next day morning, what happened? So, okay, this Pandit has told me I have to follow his instruction. So then Lakshmi thought that I will get up very early in the morning. And she got up in the morning very, very early than previous day. And she got ready. She took the milk in the pot. And then she came to the river. But the boatman was not there. Oh, then what to do now? So she did her hard work. From her part, she did everything, but the boatman was not there. So then what happened in the next, we'll see. So boatman came very late. Finally, he came, but he came very late. And the Lakshmi was telling, come on, let's go faster, faster. Otherwise, Panditji will get upset with me. I need to go and give the milk to Pandit. Then when Lakshmi has reached it, Panditji was very, very angry at her. How can you do very late? How can you come very late? I already told you, right? Then Lakshmi was telling very correctly, very genuinely that boatman did not come. But this Pandit was not listening. Pandit was very angry. He's saying, how can you say all these excuses? He was giving very philosophical message to her. So what is that, you cannot say these lies to me. People cross the ocean, very big ocean, by chanting Krishna's name, by chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You cannot cross this river. So like that, Panditji was telling to Lakshmi. And then Lakshmi was taking this instruction very nicely to the heart. And then next day, what happened? She came very early. And Pandit was shocked. Lakshmi was telling, look, Pandit, I came very early today. Are you happy? Then he was telling, yes, I am so happy. I didn't see even boatman. How did you came? Then now the Lakshmi is telling now that the way you told only I followed. See, look how simple this Lakshmi is. Just to try to follow the instructions that she got, and she's following that. Then Pandit asked, what instruction did I give you? What is that you followed? Then he said, then she said, you only said me, right? Just take Hare Krishna, and then you can come nicely from the river. So then she took Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then she told like that. And then what happened? She immediately could go the other side of the river. And then Pandit was very shocked. How is this possible? Then let me come and see how did you do. Then she bring the Panditji over there near the lake, and she did the same thing, and she crossed the lake. And then she was telling, Pandit, you please come to my home and bless my home, because if any sannyasis or anybody is coming to the home, it is blessed to the home, because they are a they are who is following Krishna, right? Who is a devotee, or any priest is coming to our home, we feel so blessed. So in that same way, she is asking, please come to my home and bless my home. And then how can I come? My dhoti is going to be wet. Now he's thinking about things that he have, like my dress is going to get wet. How can I come like that? And then she said, same the way that I did. You just chant Hare Krishna and come. But what happened? You see, when he chant Hare Krishna, oh, he drowned. Because why? Why is that happened? Because his concentration was not on Hare Krishna. His concentration on his dress. Material things, my dress, oh, what is going to happen? My dress is going to get wet. Like that he was thinking. That's why he got wet. But this Lakshmi, did she thought like that? She carried the pot on her head and she walked. She did not think of what will happen to me, whether I will get drowned or whether my milk will fall in the lake. Nothing like that. She was so simple-hearted. She was nicely fixed her mind in Krishna, completely devoted to Krishna, and always no material things like that, like my dress is going to get wet or my milk is going to fall in the lake, nothing like that. So simple. So we should understand here that for devotee should be like that, simple heart and always fixed in consciousness of Krishna, and never think about anything material. Oh, what will happen to my toys, my books, oh, all these things we don't need to worry. Everything Krishna will take care. So that is the quality that we are going to learn from this particular story. So now comes the question answers. I will unmute everybody. You all can answer my question. What's that bird name? What's that bird name? Can you be Pigeon. Good job. Good job. Where is the ant living? Where is the ant living? The hole, right?
Under the tree.
I'm not sure.
How did pigeon save the ant? Can anybody say how did it?
Is this Govinda class?
The pigeon saved the ant.
The help of leaf, right?
By putting the leaf.
Yes, good job. By putting the leaf. How did the ant save the pigeon?
By biting the hunter. Biting the hunter.
How did the milk seller Lakshmi cross the river?
She chanted
Hare Krishna. Good job. Why the Pandit could not cross the river?
because he was
Couldn't cross the river.
Yes,
Why the Pandit couldn't cross the river?
yes. Because he's dress, his dhoti and everything. Yes. All like the story. A big Haribol to all kids for answering very nicely. Let's chant very big Haribol. Haribol, kids.
It's about Haribol. It's about to be done.
Sloka part. We will welcome Anjana Mataji, please.
Haribol. All of those. Had a ball.
Anjana Mataji, can you cover for this sloka?
Look guys, it's about to be done.
Anjana Mataji.
Okay, Hare Krishna, everyone.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare
Hear me?
Krishna Mataji.
Okay.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
So, again.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Yeah, Mataji, you can talk now, Mataji. I muted everybody. You can talk.
Okay, last time we learned Bhagavad Gita 9.26. Yes, we made a craft also. This time we will make a craft on Thursday. I'll teach the sloka only today. And then last time 9.26 we made a banana. You know, do you remember all? You all remember? We made a banana, we made a water cup, everything, and we offered to Krishna. Yes. Today also we are learning next sloka 9.27. You all can repeat after me, okay? Yat karosi.
Yat karosi, yat pamasi.
Yat karosi.
Oh, we know this one. Yat karosi. Yat karosi.
Yat asnasi.
Yat asnasi.
Yat karosi, yat asnasi.
Yat karosi, yat asnasi.
Yat karosi,
Yat karosi, yat asi.
yat juosi.
Yat josi.
Yajuhosi.
Yat josi. Yat josi.
Tadasiyat.
Tatasiyat. Yat tapasya.
Mataji, now you be say Mataji because all kids are. Can you now be loud, Mataji?
Yes, yat tapasyasi kaunteya.
Yat tapasyasi kaunte. You can mute on your mute only. You can repeat, kids.
Yat tapasyasi kaunteya. Tat kurusva. Tat kurusva.
Dat kuruswa.
Mada arpanam.
Maya arpanam.
Tat kurusva.
Dat kuruswa.
Mada arpanam. One time more, okay? Yat karosi, yat asnasi.
Yat karosi, yat nasi.
Dadasi, yat.
Yat karosi, yat juicy, karosi, yat.
Yasi konteya.
Yat tapasya kaunteya.
Tat kurusva mada arpanam.
Magus, tatkusa, matapadam.
Okay. Okay, I'll read the translation and one time more we'll do the sloka. Okay? Not this one. We'll read the translation and then you can raise the hand. Okay? Whatever you do, what do you do? Say, what do you do, Janavi?
Chant.
You chant, you play, yes? What you do? You play, you talk, yes? You eat, you dance.
You chant for fun.
Yeah, you dance, everything, whatever you do, whatever you eat, we eat. Yeah? Whatever you offer or give away, we like to. Do you share with your friend? We give something
Yeah.
to your friend. Yes. Whatever you offer or you give away or whatever austerities, what kind of austerities you do? Yes, you wash your hands.
Offer prasada to Krishna.
Yeah, you listen your parents. That is a great austerity. Yes. Do you listen your parents or not? Yeah, everyone you listen
Yes.
to parents. If your parents say brush your teeth, you go fast and brush your teeth. Yes. If your parents say,
Chanting Krishna.
and sometimes your parents
Chanting
say,
the holy name.
yeah, sometimes your parents say clean your house. Yes, you do like that. Yeah, whatever austerities you perform, do that for son of Kunti. Who is our son of Kunti? Arjuna. As an offering to me. Yeah. In this sloka, what Krishna says?
Listen to
Whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer or you share, whatever austerity you do for me. Arjuna, you are telling it. Arjuna, Krishna is saying to Arjuna, when you play also, you play for Krishna. Play Krishna drama. I know Radhika Rasika, Brinda, Nandvi, Pranav, Suvangi, Yasika, you all, I know. Sanvik, yeah, I know you all, Kesav, I know so many of you play the drama. You can play for Krishna. Yes, you can eat for the food. You can just, if you have a fruit, you give to Krishna and eat. Yes, or you can share something like that. You do Krishna. Okay, you can repeat after me one time again this sloka. Okay, Mataji, may you unmute. Yat karosi yad asnasi.
Mataji, I want to say.
Karosi et asnasi. Hasi dadasi hai. Tapasya Mada arpanam. Et karosi et asnasi. Et juhasi dadasi et. Et tapasya kaunteya. Mada arpanam.
Okay,
Me Satvik.
yes, go ahead.
Yadkarosi, Yadnasi, Yadosi, Tarasi, Yadapasisi, Kauteya, Tatta, Tatkuruswa mat arpanam. Yat karosi. Yat karosi.
Mataji, do you want me to mute all and kids raise and they will only unmute? Yeah, kids can raise and we will unmute them.
Could Sanvi go, Mataji?
Go ahead, Sanvi.
Yat karoshi yad ashnashi yad johoshi dadashi yat tapasasti kanteya tad kurushva mad arpanam. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Okay, I saw Kesav. Kesav, can you go next?
Kesav, can you go next? Miss Subhadra.
Subhadra, go ahead.
Yat juhoshi yat karoshi yat ashnasi yat juhoshi dadasi yat tapasasi konteya tat kurushva mad arpanam. Thank you, Mataji.
Kavis, go ahead, Kavis. I think Kesav want to do. Kesav, you can do. Yeah, go ahead.
Yat karoshi yat ashnasi yat juhoshi dadasi yat tapasasi konteya tat kurushva mad arpanam.
Thank you so much. Kavis, can you go next?
Kavish.
Okay, Mataji. Yat karoshi yat ashnasi yat joshi dadasi yat tapasyasi konteya tad kurushva mad arpanam.
Thank you so much, Kavis. Mukunda, you can go next.
Yeah, yat karosi yat asnasi yat joshi tadasi yat tapasyasi konteya yat kuru mad arpanam. Thank you, Mataji. What is she trying to do?
Yeah, you can go next. Jaydev, right?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yat karosi.
Yat karosi
Yat asnasi.
yat anasi.
Yat juhosi.
I can't hear her voice.
Mata, listen. Dadasi.
Dadasi
Yat
yat
tapasyasi.
tapasyasi
Kaunteya.
konteya
Tat
tat
kuruswa
kurusva
mat
mat
arpanam.
arpanam.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Monis, and after that, Shlok. Monis, you go ahead.
Okay, Mataji. Yat karosi yat tasmasi yat jarosi dadasi yat tapasya kaunteya tat kasva mada aparnam. Thank you, Mataji.
Kurusva Madarpanam. Thank you, Monis. Next, Tusita. A Shlok and Tusita. Okay, I unmute Shlok and then.
Yat karesa
Yat karosi
yat karosi Yat asnasi. Asnasi.
यज्जुहोसि
Yatosi.
ददासि
Dadasiyat.
यत्तपस्यासि
Yatapasyas.
कौन्तेय
Kunteya.
तत्कुरुष्व
Tatkurusa.
मदार्पणम्
Arpanam.
Thank you so much, Slok. It's so nice. We'll send the recording also.
Recorded.
यत्करोसि यदस्नासि. Tushta, what is this?
Are you there, Tushita? Okay, Kishore. Kishore, phone somebody. Kishore, yeah. Kishore, do you want to go next?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead.
Yat karosi,
Karosi.
yat asnasi,
Asnasi.
yat juhosi,
Chuasi.
dadasi yat,
Dadasi. Yes.
yat tapasyasi,
Tapasasi.
kaunteya,
Konteya.
tat kurusva,
Tatkurusva.
mad arpanam.
Mada Arparam.
Say thank you, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
You Matadi.
करोसि
Karosi.
यद अस्नासि
Yet Asnasi.
यज्जुहोसि
Yet Juhusi.
ददासि यद
Kadasi.
ददासि यद
Kada.
ददासि यद
Dadasi. Yet
यत् तपस्यासि
Tapasyasi.
कौन्तेय
Kontaya.
तत्कुरुष्व
Tatkurusva.
मद अपरनम.
Mad Aparna.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much. I think Shreya, Mayuk is there. Mayuk is there.
Yes, Mataji.
Go ahead. We have only one person who can.
It karosi. It does not see. It juhoji. That is it. It tapasasi. Konteya. Tatukuruswa. Madaparam. Thank you.
Thank you so much, kids. I know Shreya and Srihari also raised the hand. This is the last kids who can take, and then we will do the Wednesday also. We'll send the recording. You can practice. Who didn't get chance, we'll do the Wednesday also. Okay. Shreya and Srihari, can you go ahead?
Okay. Yat karosi yadashnasi yajjuhosi dadasya yat pasyani kaunteya tat karushva madarpanam.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I know Jessica. Janavi, you want to do? Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yat karosi yat panna.
Yes, na. Yes, na.
Yes, nasi.
Yes, good.
Yat juhosi dadasya
Tapasya.
yat tapasyasi kaunteya.
Thank you so much, Janavi. Jessica, do you want to try?
Okay. Yat karosi yadasani yad
Asnasi.
asnansi.
All the kids they can do after me. Yat karosi yad asnasi. Everyone, please.
Karosi yad asnan.
Si.
Si.
Yad juosi dadasi yat.
Yadjuhosi dadasiyat.
Yat tapasyasi kaunteya.
Yat tapasyasi kaunteya. Kuru Swamadarpanam. Mataji Vrinda wants to say.
Go ahead, Brinda.
Sister.
Yat Rochi Yanati Yajohosi Yadati Yat Yatavasa Sikya Taya Tatkurus Mamadarbana.
Okay, I saw Krishna and Rama, two person. Can you both do together? I want both of you do together, and then we can end. Do Krishna.
Yat Karoti at Nachi. Yat Karoti Jio.
See?
Dachi.
Dadasi.
The Dachiyat. Yat Tapatri Kantaya. Yet
Tatakurusva.
Tatakurutva
Arpanam.
Madarparam.
Thank you so much, kids. I know that you, some of you didn't get chance. Maybe we'll do the break room. We have already spent so much of time. It will be very good when we do the break room. We'll surely do the break room with all of you, and you all get the chance to practice sloka and rhyme in the break room. And you all get the chance. Thank you so much, all of you kids, for joining. We are so happy you are joining the classes. We can end the call. Bansa Kalpa saying our Vaishnava Pranam mantra. Okay, you all can say together. Can you open your unmute and say? If you don't know, also you can learn. Okay, Vansa Kalpa Taruvasya.
They are just Hare Krishna Mataji, Hare Bol. Hare Krishna Mataji, Hare Bol.